Welcome to our Valorant tutorial. Let's dive into how you can maximize your gameplay experience by switching to full screen mode. First, launch Valorant from your desktop. Ensure you're ready to enter the game with your mouse. In the main menu, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings. Next, go to the Video Settings tab. Here, you'll find the resolution and display options. Select the full screen option from the display mode options. This will expand your screen. Finally, click Apply and jump into the game. Enjoy your immersive experience in full screen mode. Pro tip: adjust your resolution settings for the best visuals. A 1920 by 1080 resolution offers crystal clear graphics. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date for optimal performance. If you encounter any issues, try switching back to windowed mode and repeat the steps. Remember, practicing in full screen mode can enhance your aim and reaction times. Follow these steps, and you're all set for an awesome gaming experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.